So it's always a really good idea before any hike to make sure you get really stretched out, because the mountains are gonna kick your butt, and if you're not ready and you're really tight and you're just not loose, then some bad things can start to happen. Alright, we're here at base camp of Baekyang. We have very nice weather today, so I think we're going to try to summit, see if we can get to the top, and hopefully get back down safely. So it can get pretty tiring coming up on the mountain. That's why it's always good to have a little spring water coming out of the side to get a little break and drink. Nothing better than cold spring, like a cold mountain water. Oh. So we're about a quarter of the way up this mountain here, but look at the view. How neat is that? Well, let's keep moving. Two roads diverged in the woods. One of them a lot of people went on, but one of them not so many. We're gonna take one of them and then probably later wonder, did I take the right one? Sometimes the mountains kick your butt and you gotta take a little break. So we're gonna take a breather here. Can tell maybe we're about halfway, so I can feel air is getting thinner. Sun is maybe it's on its way down, but we got a lot of day left. I think we'll summit before it's too late, so I can't wait to see what's at the top of this. Well, we're here at the summit, and just look at that view. But a couple of danguses put this up here, and it kind of ruins the mood. What you think? Kind of, if you think about that, not so bad. No, cut. Okay, so we're back at base camp here. We just summited the mountain. I'm not sure which one it was, but it was not Baekyang, but it's still fun. We still had a good time. There's one more thing we gotta do. There's one more thing you gotta do before you descend all the way back to town, and that is you gotta blow your feet off. I mean, you don't want to get caught looking like a dork, so. Bye.